Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Edge web browser for computer not to get closed on accidentally clicking on close button. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Edge web browser, and now just click on this three dot icons, and now just click on the settings. Now on the left side you will see here accessibility option, just click on it. Now here you will see one option, ask before closing a window with multiple tabs. So just turn it on. Now just open more than one tab. So I've opened two different tabs right now. So now let me try to close this Edge web browser by clicking on this close button. So now you can see it's asking me to confirm whether I want to close all the tabs. So it's not directly getting a close. So it's working perfectly. Now this tricks will only gonna work when you open more than one tab. If you just open only a single tab and if you click on this close, then it will get closed. So you must open more than one tab in order to use these tricks. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make Edge web browser for computer not to get closed on accidentally clicking on close button very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.